Welcome to Monday Flourish. I'm Fern with Fern Yoga and Wellness. Today we'll do a restorative pose to ground and soothe energy when we feel scattered or unsteady. As I've talked about this month, the airy, restless feeling is associated with the Vata energy. That's movement and change and mental busyness. And when that energy begins to take over, it's a sign that we need to slow down and ground ourselves in some comfort. And comfort creates stability. It provides warmth and softness and just that feeling of being supported. And in yoga, comfort is a way to restore harmony between the body and the mind. So today we will practice legs up the wall or Viparita Karani. Legs up the wall can be done also with a chair, and I will demonstrate that for you. In the meantime, if you want to do the chair version, go ahead and grab your chair along with some extra blankets for comfort and support. If you're doing the legs up the wall version, have a bolster or a stack of blankets, and then some extra blankets for comfort and support. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the chair version. So have a blanket to support your back and your head, and another blanket for your chair if you need a little cushioning for your legs. Okay, so bend your knees and then bring your legs up over the chair and scoot yourself over and lay back. And you might need to adjust the blanket positioning. And when you're feeling comfortable with your setup, begin to relax and place your hands out by your side. And when it's time to come out of the pose, just bring your knees toward you and roll over to the side very gently. Okay, so for the wall version, you'll want to set up your bolster or your stack of blankets along the wall, and you're sitting about the middle of the bolster, and then you'll have a blanket here to support your back and your head. Okay, so bring your hips against the wall and have your hands for support as you bring your legs up against the wall. Okay, and then you can spread your arms out to the side and you can even bend them. And that helps to open up the chest a little bit more. So just begin to settle in. With each breath, imagine drawing in comfort into your heart center. And just feeling that warmth spreading throughout your body. With each exhale, release any scattered thoughts or restlessness. And allow yourself to be held in this pose as you continue to rest for a couple of minutes. And I'll bring you back when it's time. Begin to gently return to your environment. And begin to maybe have some movement in your hands and your toes. And slowly bend your knees with your feet against the wall, and then gently roll yourself to the side and come up to a seated position. So remember that comfort helps to bring us home to ourselves, and to return to this pose whenever you have this restless, unstable feeling. And remember that we also have Pause and Mingle this Wednesday, so I invite you to join me. I will include the details in the description. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful week. Namaste.